I wonder if the birds are jealous of us. I know I'm jealous of them. They get to fly around and be themselves and just go wherever. They are not confined to a specific area. They can go build their house wherever they want. They don't have to pay for it. They can just pick up a twig off the ground, use it. They don't have to go to a store and pay for a twig to build their house. They have a right to build their house they live in, unlike us. Do you think animals envy us living in our warm houses with our electronics? How many envy